First, we dug a hole 3 feet deep, 3 feet wide, depending on the amount of food you'll be putting in your pig or how big your pig is. We then lit a fire at the bed of the pig using Kiavi wood. Now, you folks may better know this wood as Miss Lee went up to the mountain stream to grab some rocks or pohaku. Now, these rocks had a special ability because they could retain heat for long periods of time. We then laid a bed of banana leaves down on our rocks so it wouldn't burn or scorch our pig. To prep our pig, we slayed it from top to bottom, cleaning out the inside, stuffing more pohaku into the cavity of the pig to cook it from the inside out. Then laid another bed of banana leaves down, avapuhi or ginger on top of that to give it its moist and unique flavor. Pat it down with some mats, covered up with some dirt or sand, making sure no heat or steam shall escape our imu pit. Left it there for about 6 to 8 hours, and there you have it, folks, your final product. Now, what I would like all of you to do is get your cameras out and get them ready, because on the count of 3, our 2 hard-working villagers will then lift or hot pie the pig. Here we go, folks. 1, 2, and 3. There you have it, the ancient style of cooking. Now, villagers will be making their way around for a better snapshot, but in the meantime, our lovely Hula maidens would like to come up to end you folks off with a little song from the super town called